Hola, hola, mi amigos y amigas. We are here to learn the weird side wave. You can use the head like this or just do the body. I like to add the head because it makes it more interesting. Sorry for the background noise, guys. I tried to do some of this video at daytime which I have better light, but we have more traffic. Anyways, you can also check, this is a 3-part video. Each one we learn a different wave. Here we learn the side wave. I have the previous one where we learn the regular from up down and from down up wave. And we're also going to be learning on the 3rd video how to do using waves. I think I hit my mirror, that's fine. Okay, now how do we do the side wave? It's not really a conventional way of doing a wave, but I really do enjoy it, especially in my shows where there's musicality or percussions, boom, 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 boom. And some accents are working there just before the one hits. That's on 7 and 8. Alright, first we bend down the knees, picture number 1. Then when we straighten out the knees, we make sure that we are leaning towards the side like we are being bent from the waist. The knees are straight, the body is diagonally but straight. So picture number 1, bend the knees. Picture number 2, push and relax to the side. Now here comes a little tricky part. When the hips return back to your straight, your shoulder and your upper body should not be here, should transfer from here to your left. So when the hips return to the straight axis that you were, this one's moved to the side and then you come back straight. That's the body wave. It just needs the illusion of fusing it together. Just like I said on the previous video, when you watch animation on the old time, they used to draw picture by picture and then you just rip through them and you could see it move. The same thing here, number 1, number 2, number 3, which is 2 movements, number 4, the head you can do at the end. And then if you fuse them together, you slowly, and then relax the body as well, you have that illusion of a wave. Now the head can come, as we come here, right, boom, and hit in the front, or it can do ding, 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 ding. It depends on what you're trying to imitate in the music. Once you want to go from here to here, whoop, whoop, a little trick to have a flick, a good flick of the head is if you're going with 50 kilometers to the right, you want to return with 100. If you do the same speed, whoop, whoop, there's nothing going on there. Boom! So that sharpness exists. So down, push up, to the side, and a return. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. And you can fuse these ones together. Once more, guys, I'm Alexandros from the Island of Cyprus. This is my YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves, where I break down Salsa and Bachata moves, and also in between, I try to keep videos like this coming, and I'm going to do a lot more musicality because you asked for it, but I want to keep them little by little coming to keep them between the combinations so I don't change the nature of the channel, which is that I want to be the only one in the world that actually has uploaded so many combinations. I hope. We'll see. Thank you very much for your support, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Check my next upload where I'll be breaking down how to do the regular hand waves. Bye then.